In front of me is UMIDIGI A3, and let me show you how to use camera timer on the following device. So first of all, you need to open the camera app. Make sure that you're in picture mode and then tap on settings icon. Here you will notice self timer, mark it, and pick 2 or 10 seconds delay. I will go with 10 seconds, and as you can see from now on, the picture will be taken after 10 seconds countdown. Obviously, if we will pick 2, then it will be done after 2 seconds. And that's it, it has been done. Now I can smoothly switch it off by using the settings again, pick self timer, turn it off, and grab the picture. So this is it, this is how you can activate and deactivate camera timer in your device in your UMIDIGI A3. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.